Top shot. AB de Villiers coming into his own.
Straight. This is AB de Villiers we are talking about. This is a genius.
Oh, right in the arc, right in the wheelhouse of AB.
Once again, Mr. 360. Oh, yes. It's gone all.
That's gone. That is magnificent ball striking.
Is that?
Oh, not a good ball. Not a good ball. Strikes the big screen. Oh, well done. The anticipation.
Oh, no way. You do not bowl there. Talk about getting.
No, not for long. That is where you need the other fielder. Back in the stands.
Oh, he's clubbed that miles. It's a beauty on the roof. Almost. Outstanding stuff from AB de Villiers.
Oh, aren't we friends, he's saying. Mori Moko. What a shot. Yes.
Out of the park, and it was above the waist. He's saying it's okay. You know, oh, come on, Bruce.